Go first class all the way with this gorgeous 2018 Charleston 430BH Class A motorhome from National RV. This 42-foot, 11-inch long Class A motorhome is built on a Freightliner XCR raised rail chassis and features a Cummins ISL9 450 horsepower engine. The exterior has a full-body paint package that includes a 4X clear coat. This rig has a trailer hitch with a 15,000-pound capacity and a 100-gallon locking dual-fill fuel tank. The basement storage compartments feature full-height strut-assisted doors and are key-to-like to the entrance and fuel doors. This coach rides on Michelin radial tires. When you step inside, you'll be greeted by a polished porcelain tile floor, native hardwood cherry cabinetry, a wraparound flush floor cockpit, plush seating, and a soft-touch padded ceiling. Housed in a living area slide-out, you'll find a booth-style dinette and sofa. The kitchen offers full home amenities with a residential French door refrigerator with ice maker, true induction electric cooktop, 30-inch convection microwave, and polished solid surface countertops. There's an additional sofa next to the kitchen for another seating option. In the full bathroom, you'll find a one-piece fiberglass shower with glass door, vanity with solid surface countertops, a porcelain china stool, and towel racks. Across from the bathroom are two stacked bunk beds that each have flip-down LCD monitor with DVD and AV input and decorative bedding. The rear master bedroom has a king-size bed with a select comfort air mattress with designer bedding and pillows. The hardwood headboard has a padded insert. There's a large wardrobe and dresser for storage. This unit comes standard with a 32-inch bedroom TV and a stackable washer-dryer unit. Shop at nationalrvdetroit.com. Our inventory is overflowing with the nation's best brands at the lowest prices guaranteed. Or call us at 734-619-6614. You'll experience the friendly, knowledgeable service that keeps our customers coming back time and time again.